Hello friends, welcome to this video. Welcome to our Talk with Topper session. And today we have with us Ashneha Makholia with us, and she has scored a very high percentile, 98.40 percentile in 5 years law CET exam. So congratulations Ashneha, how do you feel now?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm very happy by seeing my score. Uh, Literally, I'm very happy. I'm so happy.
Great. So, what were your expectations before getting the scorecard, or what was your dream score basically?
So I was last year tak 120. The score was like in numbers, and this time it is only percentile. So I was expecting 120 plus.
Great,
When I gave the exam, I thought I will get 120 plus, but there was one type of anxiousness and stress inside me that I will not get. And after the scorecard was released and I got 98 percentile, it was like something shocking to me that. But before that, when answer key was released, my raw score was 123, and after objection redressal, I think I was in slot 2, so it got increased to 2 marks, 125, I think. So according to me, I got this much marks, and according
great,
to this, I got this percentile. So
great.
I wasn't expecting 98, but this was really shocking to me too. But I am really happy
So
with
it
my
was
score
a
and all.
yes. So it was a pleasant surprise for you. Right.
Yes, sir, it was.
Chalo. And what was the reaction of your family?
So when I saw my score, I was sitting with my mother. I didn't told her when I opened my result. I didn't told her that result has came out and everything was there. I saw the score. I sat for 2 minutes and then, Mama, I got 98, and she just hugged me. Like that was the moment I was waiting for, and I think that was the moment I was starting for only.
Great. That's great. And what inspired you to go for 5 years law CT? Matlab, you are trying to pursue your career in law profession. So from where did you get this inspiration?
So, my love for law, I can't even explain that, because I'm actually interested in politics also. Politics, I'm interested in politics, and I love studying these subjects related to politics. I can also go for political and something majors in that, but this profession makes you want to pursue it actually, like the intellectual things which you are going to do in that, the respect responsibilities I'm going to get, the justice which I'm going to bring to people makes me feel like, yes, I want to pursue law.
Great. That's great. That's great. Great intention.
Thank
And so, what was your strategy for studying when you were preparing for this 5 years law CT exam?
So my first strategy was to get everything like settled, means syllabus. I want to check the first syllabus क्या था, कि syllabus के साथ एक बार clear हो जाए तो I'll get to know कि क्या पढ़ना है और कब पढ़ना है.
Right.
Legal was a good subject. Like मुझे legal समझ आने लग गई थी, तो legal easy था. English was basic subject. Static and current affairs we need to do. But for logic and maths, I'm a humanities student, and maths was a little bit tough for me. But I practiced it a lot. Main thing was that I have a very low concentration level. I can say that, very low concentration level. But I managed to study well. I used to do with the sessions like 4 hours of a session, or firstly I started with the half an hour session, then 5 to 10 minutes break, then session, then break, and then I increased my time like for 2 hours, and then 10 to 15 minutes break. Or but I used to practice logical reasoning and maths daily. Like
Okay.
I understood the concept and practice the question. I understood the
Great.
concept, practice the question. And also I used to understand the concept and then practice MCQs.
Great.
I have practiced a lot of MCQs for MHCET.
Okay. And for how many hours did you study every day?
इट्स नॉट फिक्स मीन्स ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं था कि मैं इतने घंटे
Approximately.
बैठ के पढ़ लूंगी, बट या 4 to 5 hours or 5 to 6 hours means depends कि
Okay.
which type of energy I'm having today.
Okay. So on an average, we can say 4 hours is the average time.
So
That is what you dedicated for. And how long did
yeah,
you study for this this
uh,
exam?
I I started preparing from
Feb.
Feb.
Okay.
Jan Feb. I didn't took a drop. I was in my 12th standard. So with MAH CET, I was also preparing for my board exams. So it was a bit difficult to manage everything, but yeah, I did.
That's great. Chalo, great. Badhiya. And chalo, what is a message you want to convey to the aspirants, those who are appearing for law CT exam in the next year?
My I can give that key. Be consistent.
Okay.
Be consistent with the goals. Don't lose hope. What happens ki when we give mocks or something like that, practice papers, or हमारे स्कोर क्या हो जाता है, लो हो जाता है, वी आर स्कोरिंग नॉट, हमें लगता है कि वी आर एबल टू स्कोर दिस मच एंड हम मॉक्स में नहीं स्कोर कर पाते, तो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो जाता है. मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, मेरा भी काफी बार कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हुआ है. तो उसके वजह से छोड़ना नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है, कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, होप्स नहीं छोड़नी है अपनी. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली आप अचीव कर पाएंगे अपना गोल.
So, being a Brahmastra student from BEduCARE batch, how did this batch or this particular classes, BEduCARE classes, help you out?
सर ये ब्रह्मास्त्र बैच हमारा लास्ट 5 days में हुआ था, जो कि एग्जाम
जी,
से 5 दिन पहले हुआ था. एंड
right,
लास्ट डे एक वॉक भी कराया गया था बीएडकॉर द्वारा. तो इसमें हम मेरा अच्छा खासा रिवीजन हो गया था, क्योंकि 5 days में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टडी एनीथिंग न्यू.
right,
5 days में मैं कुछ भी नया नहीं पढ़ने वाली थी, कुछ नया प्रैक्टिस नहीं करने वाली थी. जो मैंने पहले पढ़ा था उसी को मैं वापस रिवाइज करने वाली थी. तो
right.
खुद से रिवीजन से अच्छा मैंने टीचर्स के द्वारा एक रिवीजन कर लिया. एंड जो उन्होंने बताया वो बातें ध्यान में रखी. रिवीजन करने से एक फायदा ये भी हुआ टीचर्स द्वारा कि थोड़ी बातें जो थी, जो मैं लैक कर रही थी कहीं ना कहीं, वो मुझे पता चल गया एग्जाम से पहले कि हाँ, ये नहीं करना. उन्होंने नोट्स प्रोवाइड कर दिए थे हमें, तो वो क्विक नोट्स थे, तो क्विक नोट्स को पढ़ने में काफी इजी रहा हमारे लिए, मेरे लिए एक्चुअली वो काफी इजी रहा, और एग्जाम में उन नोट्स ने काफी हेल्प की.
Great. और मॉक टेस्ट जो आया था उसका भी कुछ बेनिफिट हुआ होगा.
हाँ यस, मॉक्स का भी काफी, मॉक का जो आया था लास्ट डे पे एग्जाम से 1 day पहले था वो मॉक. एंड काफी बेनिफिशियल रहा वो मॉक मेरे लिए. मुझे अपना एक एवरेज पता चल गया कि मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. क्या कहते एक एवरेज मुझे पता चल गया कि हाँ, आई एम एबल टू स्कोर इतना. एंड देन उसके बाद मैंने वो मॉक दिया, एंड आई डिड नथिंग. मैंने उसके बाद कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, मैंने अपना मन शांत किया, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट एंड गिव द एग्जाम.
ग्रेट, ग्रेट, ग्रेट. सो आप कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स है या कजिन्स है या कोई भी होगा रिलेटिव्स है, उनको बीएड के लिए रिकमेंड करोगे?
यस ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज बी एडिक्योर ने मुझे काफी हेल्प किया है, तो मैं चाहूंगी कि दूसरों की भी हेल्प हो.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. वी आर कमिटेड फॉर दैट बेसिकली. ठीक है. सो
यस
नाइस
सर.
टॉकिंग टू यू Ashneha, एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल योर फ्यूचर एंडिवर्स. ठीक है. एंड कन्वे माय रिगार्ड्स टू योर फैमिली. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.